Today we'll discuss IELTS reading and different types of questions that are asked in IELTS reading. We will have a bird's eye view of these questions. Let's start. You're given with three passages, passage 1, passage 2 and passage 3. And reading is of 40 marks and you're given 60 minutes to solve this reading. So let's discuss types of questions. First one is matching headings questions. The examiner asks, choose a heading from the list which matches a section or paragraph in the passage. We will discuss it in detail. So you have to keep in mind the names of the questions. We'll discuss it in detail in the upcoming video. The next type of question is true, false, not given, yes, no, not given. Basically, these are two questions. True, false is something different and yes, no is something different. If you write yes, no, not given in front of true, false, not given, your answer will be considered wrong. So basically, these are two types of question: true, false, not given and yes, no, not given. Number 3, matching paragraph information questions. You have to match the information with the passage. Number 4, summary completion questions. These are considered very easy questions because they are all in order. So this is the next type. Number 5, sentence completion questions. These are just like summary completion. You have to complete sentence. Further two types, we'll discuss it in detail. In first type, words are given in the form of table, and the second type is without words. Number 6, multiple choice questions. Then come number 7, list selection. Choose the correct option from a list of words, information or names. This differs from multiple choice question because the questions are related to only one long list of possible answers. We'll see the difference in the upcoming video. Next, choosing a title. Then this type of question comes in which you have to choose the title. You have to give a title to each passage. Choosing the most appropriate title for a list. Number 9, classification questions. Decide which category the information belongs to form a list. Then comes matching sentence endings. Completing sentences by matching the start of sentence with the correct ending given in the list. Number 11, table completion. You have to choose words from the passage and complete the table given in the question section. Number 12, flowchart completion questions. You have to choose correct words from the passage. Number 13, diagram completion questions. These are considered rather difficult questions. Labeling a diagram. 14, short answer questions. Sometimes they ask short answer question. You have to write answers of the given questions. These are the 14 type of question that we will discuss in detail in the upcoming video.